Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to allow contacts access on Telegram. If you've noticed that Telegram isn't showing your phone contacts or you can't sync them properly, this quick guide will help you fix that in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. You can usually find the Settings app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the section called Apps or sometimes App Management, depending on your device or software version. Tap on it to open your list of installed apps. Next, scroll through your apps and look for Telegram. Tap it to open the app's details page. This is where you can manage how Telegram interacts with your phone, including what permissions it has. Now, tap on Permissions. This section controls what parts of your device Telegram can access, such as your camera, storage, or contacts. To make sure Telegram can find and sync the people in your address book, you'll need to give it permission to see your contacts. Find the Contacts option in the list and tap on it. You'll see a few choices, such as Allow or Don't Allow. Choose Allow. Once you do that, Telegram will be able to read your saved contacts so it can display which of your friends are already using the app. That's it. You've successfully allowed contacts access on Telegram. You don't need to restart anything as soon as you open Telegram again. Your contact list will start updating automatically. In just a few moments, you should be able to see everyone who's already on Telegram and start chatting right away. If your contacts still don't show up, try refreshing your Telegram contacts list from within the app. But most of the time, this simple permission fix solves the problem instantly. Now you know how to allow contacts access on Telegram with just a few quick steps. Thanks for watching.